Thank you.
Jonathan.
So nice to meet
Nice to meet you. Alright.
Hi, I'm Carolina from Mom Joe.
And I am Liat, and today we are so excited to be here with these two beautiful girls.
This is Liv and this is Fufu, and they're my daughters. And they have curly hair.
We are at the Curly Haired Institute in North York, Toronto, to see how to deal with curly hair in general.
Yes, we're going to be exploring a beautiful line of products made exclusively for children. It's called Kinder Curls. And you guys are going to get your hair done by the masters of curly hair. So if you guys are just tuning into this video, remember to subscribe to our channel to be notified of our new videos.
And if you are enjoying this, give us a thumbs up, and we want to know if you have any curly hair questions. This is the place to put them, right down in the comments. Okay, so before we go, I want to know from you, what does it really feel like to grow up with these, in my eyes, the most magnificent curls?
Well, I love how awesome and how puffy and how good they are to feel on my head, and I really like the red color on it. Because sometimes my hair is a bit naughty and it's like pretty weird to like untangle.
Is it painful?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
But we always have conversations, right, about what it's like to have curly hair and what an amazing gift it is from nature. Tell us a little bit about how you started thinking about it, how you used to think about it before, and how you think about your hair now.
Well, I thought it was a bit weird to have curly hair and that all my friends don't really have it before, but now I think that it's very special for me and I really like it.
Oh, you did a good job, Mama.
We
She's
tried.
learning it from somewhere. That's awesome.
I love the fact that you don't feel like you had to change your hair just to be like someone else or conform to somebody else's, ideas of what's beautiful. I'm so proud of you, and I'm proud of you too, little curly. Yeah.
Well, I'm excited to see what they're going to do to you.
Yes.
Because I have a feeling that my little 3-year-old has got curly hair because the curls are there and they're starting. So I need to learn from you guys what to do with her hair when she grows up.
Oh, we have a volunteer, a very eager volunteer.
Let's do it.
Let's go. I got a little monkey here. She's going to be number 2.
You have beautiful hair. I'm going to tell you everything about your hair. And I like the way how you put the ponytail up and get a little bit more volume up here. And I'm going to show you all different tricks how to take out the tangles without hurting. We're going to be cutting a little bit of hair. By the time you get to the end, you start to see it goes down to one little hair. Because when you're going to have long hair, you want it to be quite thick. So when you look down and we take a lot of hair, you can see it goes down to one little hair.
Yeah.
So we want to cut it where it's thick. So I think this would be a very good spot because it makes it curly all the way to the bottom. Now you know when it is very, very long, when the ends start to tighten up the curl. And that's where all the tangles happen. See this one over here? How this one just tightens up at the very end? So we want to choose a length. It's just going to make it thicker and easier to take out the tangles. So I'm going to show you how effective our detangler is to remove the tangles. There is a trick how to use the product because these work very well, and I'll explain why they work and how they work. Once you figure it out, removing tangles is easy and painless, and she will be so surprised, almost like magic. That's how we got Magic Mist. When we start to examine the scalp, and the scalp looks very, very clean, is that with curly hair and all hair types, it's made up of these cuticles like scales. And when the cuticles are in an open position, the hair is vulnerable and prone to tangles. Because there are a lot of products that will coat the hair and then you'll never get the hair to group and form curls. She has beautiful curls, we just got to organize them and just show you how to easily control them. What a wonderful hair color. People must stop you all the time, but wherever you go. Where do you get such a great hair color from?
My dad.
Good. Lucky, very lucky. A lot of people love this hair color. I'm going to use our new brush, which is a Kinder brush. You can use this in the shower. It will help take out the tangles. You can spread a lot of conditioner easily, and you can also use it to massage if somebody's got a scalp problem. You will note that there's no backing, so no bacteria can build up in the brush. Are you comfy?
Yes.
Good. You also have to tell me if the water is warm, because we want it to be fun.
Turn the water on.
Okay, my favorite one is the magic mist. We're going to take out these tangles. It's very lightweight, so I can use a lot of it because it's... So it looks tangled because you can see all the open cuticles. Magic mist will close the cuticles. All of the tangles start to unravel. That's exactly it. That's exactly it.
Wow, this brush is magic.
And we squeeze it. See how I overextend it? And I bring it back. You get all this extra lift. And then we squish. Ready?
Yeah.
That's like our list.
Curl music.
Should I hold your hand for this whole thing? And stand here. Good job. And flip your head like this. And then I want you to catch your head, look at me, and put your hands at the bottom and squish. Yeah.
And the best way to dry curly hair is to not use a blow dryer. Try allow it to dry a little bit on its own. We're going to use a blow dryer later, but we're going to use a diffuser so the wind doesn't blow it all over the place.
It's so much curl knowledge packed into 1 hour and one man. It's crazy.
It's fun. And that's it. We're now going to get the space age hood dryer, which will speed up the drying process, and you've got beautiful, refined, healthy curls.
Okay, everybody, turn on mission control. We are going to space in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We love the little noodles hanging.
You know, you look very grown up.
Really?
Yes, you look very grown up.
Girl.
You got grown up hair.
Thank you. Look how nice my sleeve looks. Now it looks really good. Look at
So that was quite the experience. I really wish I would have met you like 25 years ago.
Well, they were wonderful with beautiful hair. It was an absolute pleasure.
Thank you so much for treating them to such an amazing experience.
That's great. Welcome to the Curly Hair Institute.
We will all be back.
Okay.
So tell us a little bit about this new Kinder hour that you guys are starting out.
Yeah, we're introducing from Monday to Thursday a kiddie hour, where children under 12 will receive 20% off on Monday to Thursday from 9 to 11. It's a great way that we can just embrace children, to teach them how to manage their hair, to teach parents how to style their hair. And if we dedicate these 2 hours, then everybody will be comfortable. The kids can enjoy themselves without pressure. And let's hope it'll be a really enthusiastic experience.
Awesome. I think it's so beautiful to like just sort of sow that love for curly hair from an early age. Beautiful. Thank you so much,
You're
Jonathan.
welcome.
If
Thank
you
you.
guys enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe to Mom Joe.
And give us a thumbs up, and of course follow us on social media at Finding Mom Joe.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.
So, how do you like your hair?
I love it to the moon and back.
What about you, Sub? Oh yeah.
Yeah, power. Just loving it. Whip that hair. Whip that hair around. Just gonna take out your eye.
I'm here.
What do we say to Jonathan, guys? And
Thank you very much.
Jonathan and his team.
Pleasure doing your hair.
You guys did a really good job.